This is by far the only strategy that you will ever need, but it does require discipline. It does require a routine, and it requires you to stick to that strategy. It requires you to do the same thing over and over and over and over again. That's what a strategy is. And trading is simple if you make it simple. If you can complicate it, then it can be complicated. But if you make it as simple as I'm about to describe to you right now, it can be a simple process of you being profitable. You just got to stick to that set plan. I'll give you insight on what I do so I can have that, so I maintain that consistency, and we'll just go from there. So first, what I always do, I start on the 4-hour chart. That's always what I do. 4-hour, just we get a general market, which way is the market going for that particular stock that you're studying. So we're studying SMCI today, right? This is what we're doing. So which way is this going? It's pretty simple, but which way is this going? Which way is that line going? Let me darken it for you so you can see it. Which way is this line going? Down, right? What's down mean? Bearish. Okay, simple. Boom. That's all we need for the 4-hour. The 4-hour did its job. And we're also making lower highs, lower lows. Lower high, lower low. Lower high. Potentially could be a lower low if it pushes past this 33.30. But that's besides the point. That's all we need. We're in bearish territory. That's all we need. Now I trade on the 15-minute. That's where I day trade. I love the 15-minute because it could paint its picture. So let's zoom out a little bit and look at how beautiful this is. Look at how beautiful this is. My trading strategy, right? It's probably the one of the first strategies you'll ever learn as a trader. It's the simplest to identify. Like anyone primarily can identify this. And look at how beautiful this is. Just look. 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 Look at that. We got a resistance. What is this? 39.35. Look at how beautiful. Boom, boom. If you want to expand it a little bit, boom. Look at how beautiful that is. A little crooked, but it don't matter. All right. And let's draw the support. Let's draw the support. Like, it's easy to identify. Look how easy this is to identify. And then you just trade these. You just trade this. That's all you do. So the trade I took today. Let's unlock this so you can see it. So the trade I took today, I bought puts because I'm trading an account from 300 to 1,000. So if you could see this right here, I started at 300. Now we're at 509.80. I made 2.56% today, which is $12. All right, it's not much. That's not the point. The point is to consistently grow this account and consistently have green days, which I've been having, and I've been keeping updates within this video, or within my videos, I should say. But you know how I'm doing that, right? You know how I'm doing this with this simple strategy: support, resistance. So I took a trade today because I saw, when was this? A couple days ago, the 6th. This was, a couple days ago. So I saw this general push up. And then it was about, I got in, I wrote it down here. I got in at 10 o'clock. So I saw around here that it was approaching previous highs from a few days ago, which is that 39.66 roughly. I saw that it was approaching previous highs, and we're in bearish territory. And you can kind of see here, it's making lower highs. Lower high right here. I thought honestly this would be a lower high, then a lower low, lower high, and then I thought a lower low. I thought it was going to continue to push down this way, down like this, but it did it. So the trade I took today was, I saw approaching that 36, what is this again? Or that 39.33 roughly area. So I bought a put option because I do not have the capital to short. And normally I do not trade this. Normally I trade NVIDIA. The reason I didn't trade NVIDIA, because when market opened, I was on the toilet because my stomach was going through it. My stomach was doing backflips because I ate some spiciness. And I just didn't get to the NVIDIA opportunity in time. I'll touch on that after this real quick. Just a quick breakdown. But essentially made $12 on this little pullback, little retracement. I didn't take it too far, as you could tell, because I only made the $12. Didn't ride it all the way down. Because if you look at it on the 1 minute chart, which breaks it down a little bit better for you guys, it was doing this. It was doing this. And you know what options, you know what theta, you know what that time decay. There's no telling what can happen. So I got in at 39. Where's 39 on here? I wrote it down. I got in at 39. So I got in over here. Yeah, I got in over here at 39. And then I got out at 38.55. Right here. Right here. I kept this simple. I could have wrote it all the way down, pause, but options are so risky. I never hold to where I want to because it's so super risky. I'd rather be green than be greedy. You know what I'm saying? Quote that. I'd rather be green than be greedy. But it's very simple. I just identify support, resistance, and you could have played that. You could have played it here again because touch this again. It's just simple. You can identify it and look at it. It's making lower highs on this. Lower highs, lower low. Not really. It's making lower highs though. It's making lower highs. And that's really essentially, that's all you really need, support, resistance. I know my videos, right, where I'm giving the breakdowns, they're repetitive because I'm doing the same strategy. What people don't understand or what people lack to understand is the best traders have the same strategy. They're doing the same thing. They're just identifying different versions of that strategy. They're identifying different places where that strategy works. And when I was new to the game, say I take a losing trade on one specific strategy, I would just bounce to the next one. I wouldn't give it enough trials to actually see it through. I would just hop to the next one. And then if it worked one time, okay, cool. Then if it didn't work, all right, let's go to the next one, then go to the next one. The key is just to stick with one thing. Try it out for like a month. Get enough reps in. Get a little taste of what it feels like. Because if you have 1, 2 days, 3 days, and then you're just bouncing from strategy to strategy, you're just screwing yourself at the end of the day. So I more so made this video just to show that I'm doing the same things over and over, and it's creating that consistency. Even though it's only $12, it's the process of how I'm breaking it down and how I'm continuing to be consistent with the little amount I am gaining. So my end goal, once I hit that 300 to 1,000, I'm going to jump from 3,000 to 10,000. So a gain like today, right? Just add an extra zero to it. It would be $120. That's more like it, right? That's $120 is like someone's day at work within a couple minutes. So it's all about how you scale up. But right now I'm just showing you guys the strategy. I'm showing you guys the skill of actually trading. So if that provided any value to you, stick around because there's more videos to come. But my next vid, I'm gonna talk about something you might think is cool. It's gonna be like a sit down. So stay tuned, and peace.